So you just finished filling your batch and it's time to shut down your CoolJarz HotShot cartridge filling machine. Here's a quick shutdown procedure to have your machine clean and ready for the next day. First, make sure you have used all of your product from the oil tank. Next, dump in about a 1/4 cup of MCT oil into the oil tank. MCT oil will help clean and purge your machine, but also lubricate your machine for the next use. Now set the machine up to purge that MCT oil through the system to clean out any remaining distillate oil by adjusting the shot size to 1.25. Using the start button, cycle through several shots, expelling any remaining distillate oil. You will start to see a color change. Once the color change is fully turned clear and you have run out of MCT oil, remove your tank. But be careful, it'll be hot. With the tank removed, put your thumb on the upper valve to create a vacuum and complete 3 to 4 more shots to get the last remaining liquid out of the system. Finally, remove the needle, bulkhead, and lower valve. Using your included driver with a flathead, loosen the screw holding the bulkhead and needle on. Using the included driver with no tip, remove the lower valve. Allow these 3 items to soak in isopropyl alcohol overnight. Completing these simple steps will get your machine ready for the next day of use, provide crucial daily maintenance for your machine, and minimize any potential failures with seals or O-rings. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down in our comment section. As always, if you like the video, hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to see more videos like this one. My name is Rich. Thanks for watching.